Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It's Thursday, April 20th, 2023. Here's your integral of the day. Indefinite integral of secant theta tan theta over secant squared theta minus secant theta d theta. And just like yesterday's integral, you're going to need to use two integration techniques to solve this one. So pause the video if you want to give it a try on your own. To start off, we're going to do a u substitution. As soon as I see secant theta tan theta, it just burns into my brain like, this is the derivative of secant theta. So I see all these secants down here. It feels like we should just let u equal secant theta and hope for the best. So du is going to be secant theta tan theta d theta, which I have right up here. And then now we can rewrite this integral all in terms of u. So we have du over u squared minus u. Okay, well now I've created a rational function, so it's time for some partial fractions. Consider the following. We have 1 over u squared minus u, which is u times u minus 1. Both the factors in the denominator are linear factors, so we'll have a over u plus b over u minus 1. I'm finding the partial fraction decomposition. All right, so to solve for a and b, I'm going to multiply everything through by u and u minus 1. And then now we'll have 1 equals a times u minus 1 plus b times u. So that means 1 equals au minus a plus bu. And there's 0 u's on the left-hand side, right? So that means 0 has to equal a plus b. And then if I'm looking at my constants, 1 has to equal negative a. So that tells me a is negative 1. And then if a plus b is 0, then b has to be positive 1. Okay, so now we can rewrite our integrand using the partial fraction decomp. So I'm going to have integral a over u instead of all this. So a is negative 1, so negative 1 over u plus b, which was 1, over u minus 1, excuse me, du. Can you integrate that? I hope so. Antiderivative of negative 1 over u is negative ln absolute value of u plus, and then same thing, just keep u minus 1 all together like a little happy family. Ln absolute value u minus 1. Don't forget your plus c. And then remember, originally we had let u equal secant theta, so we got to go back and write everything in terms of theta. And you don't want that negative in the front. It looks so ugly. So I'm going to write ln absolute value secant theta minus 1 first minus ln absolute value secant theta plus c. And we are done. If you're, just dying to combine the logarithms into a single one, you can, but I won't. I think it looks fine. It's not going to make it look any better. And the back of the book had it like this, so I'm stopping here. Hope you all enjoyed this integral of the day. Give the video a thumbs up if you did. I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also catch me on Instagram at TikTok at Math TV with Professor V. Have a great one, you guys. Bye-bye.